It wasn't 15 stab wounds, detective. It was 14. Check your math. 7 was for the 7 years of my life that she stole. 4 was for the 4 lies that she told. And the final 3, they were for our 3 daughters that she selfishly left behind. That's 14. There's no way I could have known it was your diary. I mean, I didn't really read it. I just sort of browsed it a little bit, and just when I realized what it was, that's when you came in. She's forbidden to see Kyle until she's 18. Come on, honey, will you open the door? I'm trying to save your ass from the gas chamber, and you threatened me? One phone call from me to Rikers Island, and I'll make sure you're never lonely in your cell at night. Don't let this suit fool you. I haven't forgotten where the streets are at.